In response to the affected families who have lost their homes and contents, the welfare services of the Ministry of Labour and Social Security has provided immediate assistance in the form of beds, blankets, mattresses, food packages and other supplies. And compassionate grants are also being prepared at this time. The Ministry of Transport, Works and Housing have given its commitment to replace the homes. The Ministry of Agriculture, in collaboration with RADA and the other stakeholders, is working with the Coffee Industry Board to ensure the replanting of coffee as soon as this is possible. We have already identified the source of some 100,000 seedlings for replanting in the fall crop starting in September. In addition, Mr. Speaker, the Ministry will be assisting with the provision of some inputs to assist with the replanting program. As we go forward, Mr. Speaker, it is important that we do not make a bad situation worse by being careless in the way we clear our lands. And I'm therefore making the strongest possible appeal to our farmers to desist from using burning as a means of clearing land. I'm beseeching our farmers to resist the temptation to light fires, and I urge you to speak to your RADA officers about alternate means of clearing lands. I further appeal to the general citizenry to be more conscious about the impact that our burning practices can have on life, property, and production. Desist, therefore, from indiscriminately throwing your cigarette butts anywhere or everywhere, or lighting fires to get rid of your solid waste.